Imagine this, you upload a simple video today, and when you wake up the next day, it has millions of views. Sounds impossible, right? But in one of the fastest growing niches on YouTube, this is happening every single day. Videos of cars smashing into impossible obstacles, massive water pits, spinning hammers, collapsing bridges, and crazy physics experiments are earning millions of views daily. Some channels have already gained millions of subscribers by uploading only these AI-generated crash videos. The funniest part is that most viewers think this is real gameplay, but it's not real at all. Everything you see on my screen is 100% created by AI. No gaming PC, no expensive software, no screen recording, and no actual gameplay. In fact, I created this entire video in just a few minutes using free AI tools. Today, I'm going to show you my complete workflow from start to finish. The best part is that you don't need any editing experience or design skills. It's completely beginner-friendly, and I'll explain every step on my screen so you can do the exact same thing. But before we begin, let me tell you about one big mistake that new creators make in this niche. Every week, thousands of people upload similar videos, but most of them only get a few hundred views, while some creators keep hitting millions of views repeatedly. The difference isn't luck, expensive software, or secret AI tools. That difference comes from just one simple step that most people completely ignore. I'll tell you that step later in this video because it has a massive impact on whether your video gets recommended or completely ignored. Now let's get started. Every great video starts with a strong idea, but instead of spending hours thinking ourselves, we'll let AI do the brainstorming. I use a custom master prompt that I've refined after dozens of tests. It consistently generates viral style ideas. Instead of creating a prompt from scratch every time, I just paste my master prompt into ChatGPT. In a few seconds, it generates many unique video ideas, like sports cars racing on collapsing bridges, monster trucks diving into giant water pits, buses smashing through huge concrete barriers, SUVs dodging spinning hammers, and dozens of other exciting scenarios. After choosing one idea, copy its title and send it back to ChatGPT. This is where the real magic begins. ChatGPT doesn't just give you a basic outline, it creates a complete scene-by-scene plan for the entire video. It decides what happens first, how each obstacle appears, how the vehicles will move, and how the sequence will play out till the end. Hours of planning work gets done in just a few seconds. Once you're happy with the overall concept, just tell ChatGPT, continue. It will immediately create detailed image prompts and matching video prompts for every scene. You don't need to describe anything about the vehicles, environment, lighting, camera angles, or motion because everything is already prepared. Now your entire video is ready in the form of professional prompts. In the next step, we'll turn these prompts into realistic AI-generated crash scenes. Now it's time to turn these prompts into actual visuals. For this, we'll use Flow AI because it gives free daily credits, which is the best option for beginners. Create a new project, go to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for the first scene, paste it into Flow, open the settings, go to image generation, and choose 9:16 aspect ratio if you're making shorts, or 16:9 for long videos. Select the Nano Banana 2 model because after testing, it gives the cleanest vehicles, sharp environments, and realistic details. Choose the number of images and click Generate. In just a few moments, Flow will create high-quality images based on your prompt. Now we'll animate this image. Open the three-dot menu on the generated image and select Add to Prompt so it becomes a visual reference. Copy the matching video prompt from ChatGPT. Switch Flow from image mode to video mode, select the Omni model, paste the prompt, and generate. After waiting a little, your first animated crash scene is ready. Now instead of a still image, you have a realistic moving sequence with natural camera movement, believable vehicle motion, and cinematic action. For the next scene in the video, copy the video prompt for the second scene from ChatGPT. Then play the first clip and move the timeline to the ending point. Click on Save Frame here. Then click on the three dots and choose Add to Frame. Paste the video prompt here and click Generate. In just a few seconds, our second scene will be generated. And now you can see Flow has generated our second scene while keeping it continuous. Now repeat the same process for every scene. Flow automatically uses the last frame of the previous clip as the starting point for the next generation. Because every new scene starts from the end of the previous one, the animations connect naturally without any jarring cuts. The road continues, vehicles stay in position, and the entire sequence looks smooth from beginning to end. In no time, all your scenes will be ready. Download all the clips and import them into your favorite editing software. You don't need anything special. CapCut or whatever editor you're comfortable with is more than enough. Arrange all the clips in the exact order planned by ChatGPT so the story flows naturally. To make the video even more engaging, add background music, subtle sound effects, motion blur, camera shake, and captions where needed. These small improvements make the video much more dynamic and increase viewer retention. Once all scenes are smoothly synced, export the video in high quality. Now our video is completely ready. So let's watch the final result. Now comes the most important step, where most creators unknowingly ruin their chances of going viral. Before exporting the project, watch the entire video from start to finish without skipping. Pay attention to every crash, every vehicle movement, every camera angle, and every transition. If something looks unnatural anywhere, a vehicle clips through something, the physics looks wrong, the model distorts, or the camera movement feels weird, don't ignore it. Go back, regenerate only that scene, replace the bad clip, and check the timeline again. Spending a few extra minutes here makes a huge difference in the quality of your final video. Many creators upload in a hurry and leave obvious visual mistakes in the video. Viewers notice them immediately, swipe away in a few seconds, and the algorithm considers it low audience satisfaction. On the other hand, creators who properly review and polish every scene get much higher watch time because their videos remain visually convincing from beginning to end. This quality control is the biggest difference between average videos and million-view videos. When you're fully satisfied, export the video in the highest quality, create an eye-catching thumbnail, write a curiosity-driven title, and upload it to YouTube. Don't disappear after uploading. Keep checking the analytics, watch audience retention, and understand where viewers are dropping off. Use that information to make your next video better. Every new video gives you new data, and consistent small improvements can lead to massive growth over time. The workflow is extremely simple. Generate viral ideas with AI, create high-quality images, animate every scene, combine them into a smooth sequence, edit, do a detailed quality check, and publish with confidence. You don't need expensive equipment, advanced editing skills, or years of experience. The most important thing is to create videos that keep viewers hooked from the first second to the last second. If you like this tutorial, like the video and subscribe because I regularly share practical AI workflows, YouTube growth strategies, and new content opportunities. In the next video, I'll tell you about another fast-growing niche that has huge potential and show you how to start it from scratch. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.